Welcome back to Quiz Vibes. Can you answer these 50 geography quiz questions? Before starting, please like the video and subscribe the channel. Let's jump to the video. What is the capital city of Argentina? It's Buenos Aires. Which country has the most natural lakes? Canada is correct. Mount Kilimanjaro is located in which country? It's answer B. Which river is the longest in the world? You got it, it's Nile. What is the smallest country in the world? Vatican City. Which desert is the largest in the world? Sahara. What is the capital of South Korea? Seoul is correct. Which continent has the most countries? It's Africa. The Great Barrier Reef is located in which country? Australia. What country has the city of Krakow? You got it, it's Poland. Which ocean is the deepest? Pacific Ocean. What is the capital of Egypt? Cairo is correct. What mountain range separates Europe and Asia? It's Ural. Which country is both in Europe and Asia? Turkey. What is the largest island in the world? Greenland. The city of Dubai is in which country? United Arab Emirates. What is the capital of Canada? Answer B is correct. Which country has the most volcanoes? Answer B is correct. What country is famous for its fjords? It's Norway. The Danube River flows through how many countries? It's 10. What is the capital of Thailand? It's Bangkok. Which country does the island of Sardinia belong to? Italy is correct. What is the capital of Nigeria? You got it, it's Abuja. Which of these countries is landlocked? The answer is Laos. What is the tallest mountain in the Alps? Mont Blanc is correct. The Dead Sea is bordered by which two countries? It's answer A. What is the currency used in Japan? Yen. Which city is known as the City of Canals? Venice is correct. What is the capital of Colombia? It's Bogota. Which of these is not a U.S. state? Ontario. The Andes Mountains run through how many countries? Seven countries. What is the capital of Australia? It's Canberra. Which country has no rivers? You got it, it's Bahrain. What is the only continent without a desert? Answer A is correct. Which sea separates Europe and Africa? Mediterranean Sea. What is the highest capital city in the world? La Paz. Which country is home to the Taj Mahal? It's India. What is the capital of Finland? Helsinki is correct. In which country would you find the city of Marrakech? Morocco. Which country has the largest Muslim population? It's Indonesia. What is the capital of Chile? Santiago. Which country has the most time zones? It's France. Which continent is the driest? Australia is correct. What is the capital of Pakistan? Islamabad. Where is the city of Petra located? The answer is Jordan. What is the largest country in Africa by area? It's Algeria. Which is the largest continent by area? It's Asia. What is the capital of Portugal? Lisbon. Which U.S. state has the most islands? Alaska is correct. Which country has the largest population? India.